In recent scenario of this world, business, economics, everything is on paralysis. The market forces are in equilibrium. Still, supply chain management is going on. So, what are the factors which influence the one term of market force, supply? Today, we will analyze own price and other than own price, the two factors affecting supply. So, warmly welcome you all in new phase of learning.
I warmly welcome you again in new learning phase of this class, supply extension. Pandemic COVID-19 marked you with brilliantly phase of lockdown. It emerged in the opportunities. You heard one buzzword, quarantine time, lockdown, and this marked you with the beginning of supply. The first question arises the supply of your input for agriculture. The second question arises supply of your products. Everything have adverse effect on supply. So today we are considering all the factors during the pandemic COVID-19 spread, and the topic will be associated with it only, factors affecting supply. The supply mark come under various prominent players' influence. So firstly we should get introduced with supply. Supply, quantity product supplied in market for sale at specific price in given period of time. It has relationship between price and time, and supply always depend on two things: the availability of stock and market price. The stock of a product rise to say or refers to say the quantity of the product available in market for sale during the specific period of time, and this is the availability of stock which determines your supply. And in pandemic COVID-19 spread, this was the key determinant factor which used to talk about this. Key determinant factor of supply means to say that the supply is influenced under various factors, and this function as price and cost of production relationship. The supply determined on the basis of two grounds: number one, own price, and number two, other than own price. ओन प्राइस अपने खुद के प्राइस की वजह से इन्फ्लुएंस होने पर सप्लाई का सबसे पहला रिलेशनशिप है डायरेक्ट, and it always get affected with its own price. They both moves in same direction. Prices increases, supply quantity increases. Change in supply with the change in price. अगर कोई चीज की सप्लाई उसके अपने प्राइस की वजह से चेंज हो तो देन इट इज कॉल्ड वेरिएशन इन सप्लाई ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. It counted as variation of supply if the prices and your change in supply occurs in one term. This marks you with the own price effect. It always have positive relationship, one up, one down, other down. Now come to the topic other than own price. Here we will discuss the cost of production and other factors. The prima facie is cost of production because it decides the expenditure of your in the term of producing one product. If your expenditure is low and the market price is high, then you have position of profit. This connects you with your profitable benefit. The supply of product and the cost of production are inversely related. If your cost goes up, your profit goes down. So ultimately your supply will also go down. Example, the firm seller will not going to make it worthwhile if he will not able to have profit. So the cost of production is the second factor that influence. So the extension of cost of production means to say state of technology as well. If your technology is advanced or improved or upgraded from time to time requirement, so then you mark the reduction in cost of supply, production, and then this will going to give you profit margin benefit. If a seller has the profit margin due to the cost reduction, then he will induce to supply. If your technology is outdated, this will increase your expenditure and ultimately leads to decrease in supply. Technology always the one factor which determines your cost of production. If your cost of production rises, automatically it will going to decrease your profit, cost of production rises, then profit reduced, the profit will not going to be there, so producer will never going to sell, and he will not find the prevailing price and time appropriate or worthwhile to sell. So the next prominent factor which plays the key role in the determining the profit of the firm through the cost of production is your government policy. Every year government announce some policies in fiscal year, that is taxation and subsidy. Taxation means to say that it is compulsory payment which you have to pay to government during that fiscal year. If the production costs have the influence of tax rise, then it will reduce your profit margin and ultimately you will going to decrease the supply. अगर गवर्नमेंट आप पे टैक्स ज़्यादा लगा देगी, then you will be charged with the compulsory payment that will reduce your profit, so you will not supply. If government will start giving you subsidies, then they will going to give you aid and that will increase your profit as your cost of production will fall. So here you will mark with the next extension point goals and objective. Every firm do not work for profit. Some firms have marketing strategy like profit maximization, but with market expansion. They focus on the market size. They focus on the goodwill of the product. They focus on the status and prestige of the enterprises. So they do not consider cost of production and profit or price. They consider their own objective, that is market strategy. So they do not consider profit while selling. So this also affects supply. Other factors are also there. Some of them are mentioned below. More firm. If you have large number of firms, so then large number of supply will come as number of producers are more. Investment in expansion. Sometimes in capacity expansion, business used to invest their profit for the further new building or new factory. That new factory will raise their own production, so that will also delivered in the market, so your supply rises. Then next is climatic factor, natural phenomena, and this is key player in rural economy, as agriculture products are completely under the influence of climate and environment changes. So this also affects the supply. Hereby we discuss the factors which are other than price and price. So their key player is price and other than price, and other than price includes many factors. Today we have discussed them one by one. So thank you for visiting. See you again soon.